Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you practice real English in a simple, clear, and supportive way so that you can speak more confidently in your daily life.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here learning with us today. And in this lesson, we are going to talk about a very interesting and meaningful topic, which is how to talk about your best friend in English.
Yes, talking about your best friend is something you can do in many real-life situations, such as meeting new people, having conversations at school, or chatting with coworkers.
In this lesson, you can learn how to describe people, express feelings, and share experiences in a natural way.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can continue improving your English every day.
All right, let's get started.
When you talk about your best friend, you can start by introducing who they are and how you know them, using clear and complete sentences.
For example, you can say, "My best friend is someone I have known for many years, and we met when we were studying together at school."
You can also say, "My best friend's name is Anna, and she is a very kind and friendly person who always makes me feel comfortable."
Let's try a conversation. Emily, can you tell me about your best friend?
Yes, my best friend is someone very important in my life, and I have known her since we were in high school, so we have many shared memories together.
Key phrases. My best friend is. I have known him/her for. We met when.
Next, you can describe your best friend's personality by using simple but meaningful adjectives.
You can say, "My best friend is very kind, patient, and understanding, and she always listens to me when I have problems."
You can also say, "He is very funny and cheerful, so I always feel happy when I spend time with him."
Example conversation. What is your best friend like?
My best friend is very friendly and supportive, and she always helps me when I feel stressed or tired.
That sounds like a great friend. Good job explaining that clearly.
You can also talk about what you usually do with your best friend, because shared activities are an important part of friendship.
For example, you can say, "We usually spend time together on weekends, and we like to watch movies, go to cafes, and talk about our lives."
Or, "We often study together because we want to help each other improve."
Example.
In my free time, I often meet my best friend and we enjoy talking, laughing, and sharing our experiences.
It is also important to explain why your best friend is special to you, because this helps you express your feelings clearly.
You can say, "My best friend is very important to me because she always supports me and encourages me to be a better person."
Or, "I trust my best friend because he always understands me and gives me good advice."
Example: My best friend is important to me because she listens to me and helps me when I have problems. You can also talk about special memories you have with your best friend, because this makes your story more interesting and personal.
For example, you can say, "One of my favorite memories with my best friend is when we traveled together and had a lot of fun exploring new places."
Or, "We have many happy memories because we have spent a lot of time together over the years."
Emily, can you describe your best friend in detail?
Yes, my best friend is someone who has always been there for me, and I have known her for many years, so we have a very strong and close relationship.
What kind of person is she?
She is very kind, patient, and understanding, and she always listens to me when I want to talk about my problems or share my feelings.
That sounds wonderful. What do you usually do together?
We usually spend time together on weekends, and we like to go to cafes, watch movies, and talk about our daily lives.
Why is she so important to you?
She is important to me because she always supports me and encourages me, and I feel very comfortable and happy when I am with her.
Now it's your turn. Who is your best friend? How did you meet your best friend? What do you usually do together? Why is your best friend important to you? Try to answer using full sentences. Repeat, My best friend is. I have known him or her for. We usually. He or she is very. He or she is important to me because.
Today, we learned how to talk about your best friend in English using clear, simple, and meaningful sentences.
This topic is very useful because it helps you describe people, share your feelings, and have natural conversations.
Remember, you do not need perfect English, but you need to practice regularly and speak with confidence.
Good job today. You are improving step by step.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing English.